Video 6.2, Using Object Pronouns. Object pronouns. The singular object pronouns are me, you, him, her, and it. The plural object pronouns are us, you, and them. Use an object pronoun when the pronoun functions as the direct object or indirect object of a sentence or a clause. For example, Jan told Derek and me about her homing pigeons. Me is the direct object, so it needs to be an object pronoun. Or, she showed us several of her favorite pigeons. In this case, us is an indirect object, several is the direct object. Object of a preposition. Use an object pronoun, OP, when the pronoun functions as the object of a preposition in a sentence. For example, one of her pigeons delivered a message to Anna and me. To Anna and me is a prepositional phrase. To is the preposition, which means Anna and me are the objects of the preposition. So you need an object pronoun. Or, for Jan and me, the pigeons arrive faster than mail. For Jan and me is a prepositional phrase. For is the preposition. Jan and me are the objects of the preposition. Here's an editing tip. Be sure to use an object pronoun when the pronoun functions as the object of a preposition, like we just studied. Avoid these common errors. Between you and me is correct. Between you and I, although you commonly hear it, is not correct. Between is a preposition, so you need to use me, the object pronoun. Or, for Carla and him is correct. For Carla and he is not. For is a preposition, so you need to use him, an object pronoun. Here's a step-by-step guide for deciding whether to use a subject or an object pronoun. First, decide what function the pronoun performs in a sentence. If the pronoun is a subject or a predicate nominative, choose the subject pronoun. If the pronoun is a direct object, an indirect object, or the object of a preposition, choose the object pronoun. Let's take a practice test. See if you can choose the correct pronoun. Number 1, neither Leah nor he or him brought a poncho to the game. The correct answer should be he, since it is actually the subject of the sentence. He brought a poncho to the game. So he is the correct answer. 2, the coach gave they and we, or them and us, team t-shirts. Even though this might sound a little weird, the correct answer is them and us. Remember, if you have a compound subject, you can separate them out. Or these are actually objects. So the coach gave them team t-shirts. The coach gave us team t-shirts. So you would say the coach gave them and us team t-shirts. Number 3, without Brenda and she or her, we wouldn't have a water polo team. The correct answer, without Brenda and her. Without is a preposition. Her is an object of the preposition. So you need to use an object pronoun. And 4, Miss Jones coached Andrew and he or him every day. The correct answer should be him. It's a direct object, so we need to use an object pronoun, him. Miss Jones coached him every day. Good luck finding the pronouns on your own.